Kapalbhati Pranayama. Safety precaution. Individuals with stomach tumors and heart conditions should refrain from practicing this technique. Those with asthma and high blood pressure should avoid employing kumhak in their practices. Procedure to do. Assume the Padmasana position, with your palms resting on your knees and gently closing your eyes. Maintain a straight posture in your waist and neck and wear a joyful expression. Begin by exhaling. Inhale fully through your nostrils, and while doing so, engage in Mula Bandha. Breathe out vigorously, repeatedly expelling the air through the nostrils. Allow a brief pause between each exhalation and the subsequent one, allowing a slight, natural intake of breath to maintain an even exhalation force. Avoid forceful inhalation. During exhalation, concentrate on drawing the pelvis toward the spine repeatedly. Practice this pranayama to the best of your ability. In the final repetition, exhale as completely as possible and implement Uddiyana Bandha and Jalandhara Bandha for the duration of the natural breath suspension, Kumhaka. If you are unable to sustain it, release Uddiyana Bandha first. Relax the stomach. Followed by Jalandhara Bandha, straighten the neck. And ultimately release Mula Bandha. Inhale and hold your breath for a while, half the duration of Kumhaka. Engage all three locks. Release the locks and sit quietly. Gradually increase the number of repetitions and the duration of your Kumhaka states. Information. In this pranayama, the emphasis is on purifying the brain. Kapal refers to the brain, and body means to shine, which is why this technique is named Kapalbhati. It is considered as a form of pranayama and aligns with the principles outlined in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Advantage. This technique not only facilitates the release of trapped air in the lungs, which cannot be expelled through regular breathing, but also enhances the intake of oxygen, thus promoting an intensified blood purification process. It restores normal blood circulation. Furthermore, the respiratory system and nostrils undergo a purification process, and the breathing passages gain increased flexibility. Consequently, the entire respiratory system experiences improved health and functionality. Engaging in this practice, incorporating Mula Bandha, and repeatedly expelling breath forcefully while maintaining contact between the navel and spine influences the Muladhara, Swadhisthana, and Manipura chakras. During the Anahata stage of breath expulsion and, finally, during internal Kumhaka with all three bandhas, the Vishuddhi, Ajaya, and Sahasrara chakras also come into play. Thus, this practice impacts all 7 chakras, which are vital centers for prana circulation throughout the body. Notably, it possesses remarkable potential to enhance cognitive and memory functions. Applying all 3 bandhas during Kumhaka at the conclusion of the practice aids in directing the combined prana and apana, from the navel upwards toward the brain. This process purifies the Murda Nadi and helps eliminate phlegm. Ultimately, it leads to a soothing of the agitated mind.